One char digger here. It's about 50 outside, unseasonably warm. I'm going to take advantage, try to go in the woods a little bit and dig up some targets. We'll get back to you when we get. Here's the cellar hole, first one. Beautiful day today. Let's see if we can find anything. Well, unfortunately, the ground is solid still. There's not much snow on it to insulate it. It's about 3-inch frost layer. I'm not going to mess around with this one. I think it's a 22 bullet anyways. I'll go see if I can find some better signals worth my effort. But in any case, it's good getting exercise, get ready for dig stock, walk around. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, I got signal here. It's about soft 18. It's down in the hole still. It's frozen, but let's see if we can dig it out here together. Try here. It's not too bad right here. Oh, that's nice dirt right there. I hope it is something. It's really good dirt in there. Let's swing over it again. Could be a shell casing though, to be honest. Ooh, it's you're gonna 20 or a bullet. It's out of the hole. 2021. Whoops, here goes the detector. 2021. Ooh, I see some roundness. I see some roundness. Oh, no way. No way. It's an Indian. Holy crap. I just found an Indian. Let's see if I can get the year off it. Yeah, let me clean it up. I'll get back to you. Got a little signal here. This bouncing 1920. There's some grunt in it too. Might be a piece of aluminum or a bullet. I'll let you know here in a minute. Been digging this hole a while. Started off with a real choppy high tone. It still may be, but it seems to be a little bit higher now. I finally broke through the frost layer. Still waiting. I have no idea what this is or what it isn't. Let's see. Ooh. see. Well, it's going to take a while, I guess, because I'm not finding it right off. It's still in the hole. But I'll be right back with you. Oh, there you go. Nice bent nail. Not even a square nail. Something from the 30s or 40s, probably. That was my squeaker. Oh well. On to the next. Well, I haven't found much lately. Just a couple nails and stuff, but it's so warm out. It's nice to be in the woods again. It's been way too long. Been at least three weeks since I've been in the woods. I'm just searching everywhere I haven't stepped yet. Hopefully something will come out before the end of the day. I can't believe this. I've been chopping at this thing for 20 minutes. Well, 10 minutes, let's say. And great sound. I thought it was going to be a can, but look what's in the hole. And it came out just like that. Sorry, I just fell down in all the excitement. Let me fetch it now that I'm covered. Oh. I can't believe this just came out of the ground. It sounded so good. It almost sounded like a tin can. I'll tell you what. Haven't dug many targets today, but been kind of selective. I'm very, very, very happy with this, to say the least. The shoe buckle in my book is about the tops for Colonial relics or coins. There you go. Get out and dig. It's another shot of that buckle. I cleaned it off a little bit. I'll tell you, that's a record for, I mean, that's just a great day to find one of these anytime. I've never found one quite like, I mean, I always find them broken or I find the tongue in shape, but this is just unbelievable. This is a good one. Yeah, so everything seems weird after finding that shoe buckle. I'm still out here hunting. I dug up a 15 signal. It's in here. It's probably a bottle cap or pull tab, but who knows, maybe a button. I gotta figure out how to open this up. I'll get back to you and show you what it is. Well, it's part of a pull tab. You can see the brassy looking metal there. Pull tab. Oh well. Well, I thought I had a screamer target. It was screaming target. It ended up being a piece of harmonica reed. I also found one of these. That sounded like a coin, but it's a harmonica reed, so it's a relic. I'll have to show it to you later.